Welcome to an example in which we're trying to find the slope of the line. So we have this line and they want to know the slope. Well, if you look on the notes, here I again refer you to the exam 2 notes. There's a slope formula right there. So let me go, I actually pasted it here already for us. There it is. So there's the slope formula. So how do we do slope? It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you just go through and you reduce it at the end. So let's go do that. There's our problem. So, okay, so the first thing, so step 1, find any 2 points on the graph. Let's find 2 points on this. Like, how about this one? That's a real easy one. What's another one that's like right on crossing lines, like right here? Those two, those are about the only two I can see that like cross real clearly. What's that point? That's over 0 up 2. This point is what? Back 2, down 3. So it's the x, y, x, y. Right, this one's over 0, up 2. Other one's, right, this point is back 2, down 3, minus 2, minus 3. This point is over 0, up 2. Over 0, up 2. Okay, got 2 points. Now you got to, so there's our 2 points. Let me bring them back. So we've got 0, 2, and -2, negative. You could pick any 2 points. Those were just the two I could see easily. I could have picked this one also. This one would have worked also. This is what? Over 2, up 7. Yeah, that's another clear one that's crossing on the line. Okay, so what is the slope? Well, the slope formula is, according to your notes, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, because slope is rise over run. That's what slope is. It's rise over run. So we can say, okay, well, what is all this x1, x2? Well, this is x and y, so this is the first point, so we can put the little ones, x and y value. This is the second point's x and y value. You could totally switch those. It really doesn't matter which one you call first point or second point. Okay, so now here we go. Got to be a little careful here. Let's put down the minus signs, and I'm going to plug in the 4 numbers. So what goes here first? y2. So -3 minus, right? y2 minus y1. Here's y1, 2. Over x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1, 0. So that's what? Minus 5 over minus 2. 2 negatives cancel to be positive or regular 5 halves. So there's the slope. The slope is positive or regular 5 halves. Let me write that a little bit better. 5 halves. Now you could have also just seen it from the graph. Look right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So up 5 over 1, 2. So the rise is 5. The run, the sideways movement, is 2. Or you could have done it here. Could have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5. So see how the slope just keeps marching up and over, up and over, up and over, rise over run, rise over run. That's what slope is, the steepness of the line, rise over run.